Hi all, good morning everyone. It seems that my previous video on scattered plot has gained a lot of views. Um, I am just going to extend a bit on that video to show you how to build a bubble chart from your scatter plot. So what you do is you need to add another column for the bubble size. So for this instance, I'm going to add a salary column as my bubble size. So I'm going to put some random numbers. So now you have the bubble size. So what you do is click on the chart and then go to design. Then you change your chart type to either a 2D bubble or 3D bubble. I will pick a 3D bubble now because it looks nicer. Then I click OK. Then I go to select data. Now I click on edit. So now you have this series bubble size for you to fill in. You delete whatever that's inside there. Then you select your bubble size and click OK. OK. And then now you have a bubble chart. And if you want to display the salary or the bubble size, just click on the bubbles and then format data labels. Then you click on bubble size, right? It will show you for this instance is the salary of the bubble. If you don't have a scatter plot, you can actually create a bubble chart just from scratch by selecting all the data and then click on insert, click on recommended chart, all charts, XY scatter, and then you have your bubble charts here. I hope this video will help. Please give the video a like if you like it, and please subscribe to my channel because I am building it to 1000 subscribers. If you have any questions, please put in a comment below. Thank you very much. Bye bye.